Hello everyone, so welcome in a new video. Today we will learn how we can make a NFT wallet to get all the transaction in your wallet. So for that, what you have to do, that first open just Google Chrome and then just write down that Metamask. So we will just open the Google Chrome and we are just going to write over here Metamask. So we will just open this website. As you can see that Metamask, this is the only one of the best wallet where you can get that your digital currency for the NFT. So we will just open the website. There will be an option just to create that account. So here is the option. You can either download the application. It is a Google Chrome based extension. You can simply just download for the Google extension, and then you have to make an account on that. So I'll simply I have just click on that installing a mega, and after installing of this, add to Chrome. Once it is added to the Chrome, just we are waiting for the once it will be get added on a Chrome, we will just ping it and then we can make an account on that. For this you don't need to do a sign up. For that only you need to write a simple password and then your wallet will be created. So the MetaMask, it's added on the Google Chrome extension. Simply we will just click on the extension, we will pin it. After doing a pinning, we will just click on a logo of that MetaMask and simply we'll just get it to the started, and then it is asking if we have already wallet or if we don't have that. So we are a beginner, we are a new, we don't have wallet, so we will just create, then we will do that agree. Okay, after doing of that agree, as it is written over here everything, you can read it carefully, then we will just create a strong password. This password, remember that if you forget this password you will not get a recover this password, because there is a no email it is written over here or no mobile number, so there is a no chance of recovery of this password. So remember this password, write down in a notepad or anywhere where you can remember that, or either just take a screenshot of that, so you will get to know that like what is the password of your wallet. So after connecting of this, as you can see that here it is asking for the secure wallet. Just watch a video so you can learn more about that wallet, so what things are important in this. So simply we know that what we have to do, that we will just simply click on that next. After clicking of that next, so it will be show a next interface of that. So what exactly we have to do that, so simply we will just click on the next. Then it is asking here for a secure, so we will click on that. Now this question which is showing over here, you have to remember this because later on you have to answer this question. So simply we will open a notepad, we will paste over here to just for the safe side, because once we will put that next, we have to answer this question. Now here it is asking for the confirm secret recovery perhaps. Now whatever it is written in the paragraph of that, we have to just align according to this. So we will just write as it was written earlier, so word by word we will just write that, and then we will just complete this step. So here we go, we will just select one by one the word as it is mentioned on the paragraph. So we have completed the task. Next and confirm. As you can see that it is written over here, congratulations, we have made successfully this wallet and all done. Simply we will just click here, and then after that you can see that the interface of this, it is showing that what is our balance sending and receiving. So this is a Ethereum of wallet MetaMask. So for that, even you can complete your profile if you want to do that. You have to remember this. Okay, for this, as you can see that, so we have saved our password as well, and here we go. If you like the video, please click the button of subscription, like and share and comment. See you in the next video.